Happy Friday. Welcome to Facebook Live. I know it's weird without Danielle here. I already feel like there's
a little bit.
Yeah. But she's off today, enjoying the day off. So we are just going to decorate some kitchen containers with our adhesive vinyl. You're right over there?
Yes.
Okay.
Valued and overpowered.
I'm Bianca.
I'm Jessie.
And I'm Jessica behind the camera today.
We good? Live? Got some viewers?
Got some viewers. Comment below if you're seeing this.
Good. Much better than we're already off to a better start than last Friday. So, all right. So today we have kind of we sell 3 different types of vinyl, or technically 4 types of adhesive vinyl. We have Oracal, FDC, which is Lumina now, and then we also have Caesar Easy PSV. So we're going to be using chalkboard vinyl, Oracle, and the FDC Lumina just to kind of cover all the bases here. All right, so these are actually my kitchen home containers. I needed some labels because, you know, sometimes flour and powdered sugar are very difficult to differentiate which one's which, and definitely make some things taste a little bit different. So if you want to start reading that one for me.
And this is the Oracle, right?
Yes, that is the Oracle.
We're reading Oracle right now.
Hello, Cheryl.
So I did Oracle 651 because I don't plan on changing the powdered sugar ones. And those other 2, I did Oracle 651 as well. It's just so easy to read.
So easy.
And that's another reason I picked that one too.
Getting the little pieces out of the letters, though, can
Yes.
sometimes be a little tricky.
Yeah, a little bit. Love that weeding tool though.
Yeah, no, this is... without this, I don't know how we would do it.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, and I really messed up on that the transfer tape piece. Oh well,
That's okay.
It'll be fine. That's what it's sticky for.
Yeah, we're using it today for, you know, jars in the kitchen, but you can really expand your ideas. School is starting back up, so you can always make something for either crayons or colored pencils. I mean, I'm sure you could see from the outside, but it just looks prettier.
Absolutely. We actually have, we're going to be doing some back to school ones coming up soon. We're working on prepping those now, so kind of, you know, stay tuned for those.
And we have Oracle transfer tape. Just going to lay it down.
Very nice.
Use our squeegee.
So simple. It's all so simple.
So easy. Now this is yours, so do you want to place it?
No, it's fine.
Put it on this one, right?
We're going to put it on this one. No, go right ahead, because I'll do this one
Because I
over
don't
here.
want it to be crooked. I don't
No,
want to hear
please,
about
I
it.
don't. You're hearing about it. It's just going to go right back in the cabinet today.
Say,
Hi, Cindy. Hi, Larry. Cheryl says, Print Squad in the house. Hi, Butch. Hope you're feeling good today. Glad you didn't have doctors, so you were able to watch us.
He actually recommended us do like towels and aprons and oven mitts and stuff. That would have been a good
That's
part
a
of
good
it.
one.
Yeah, to bring
Yeah.
up the kitchen products.
So I added it to the list. Maybe we'll do that on another Facebook version.
I don't like using trash can.
Oh,
Part of my R.
No?
We had a little curly Q on it, so.
You know, I thought you were like, you had like a cut on your finger, but it's just an extra piece of weeding.
There we go.
Perfect. And now I have a full set. So now my baking needs, I'm going to do a lot of baking this weekend just because I can. And now I have which jar is which.
There you go.
All right,
And when
so,
she's making coffee, she won't put flour in her coffee.
yeah. So now this one is abnormally large. I didn't really know what to put in here. You could put spaghetti noodles, those long pretzel rods. So for this one, we decided to do the chalkboard vinyl. So that way we don't have any chalk. So sorry. But that way I could change it up. I don't have to worry about it. You know, it's super simple. So I will go ahead and do this one. If you want to put transfer tape on that one so we can get that ready.
And I walked past a big piece of chalk in my house this morning.
Did you?
Yes.
Oh, no.
I could have brought it in.
That's all right.
But that's the good thing about the chalkboard vinyl. You are able to use it like a chalkboard. Right now we're making it small for the labels, but you can even make it larger on your kitchen wall if you wanted to make a certain spot, or say, hey, this is pantry here.
I see a lot of people putting it on their refrigerator to like add to like a list and stuff, like, you know, what you would need like from the store, like kids chore charts. You know, you can really use it for anything. So it's kind of cool.
That is good. I'm about to do
Yeah,
that.
that's what I'm saying, right?
Because I keep throwing the chore chart idea out there, but my oldest, she doesn't seem to like it for some reason.
I can't imagine why. All right, so, and since it's kind of like an awkward container, I'm just going to kind of put it in the middle somewhere. You know, if it's off center, It's okay, just because as long as it'll be there so I can see what's on it, that's all right. So the chalkboard, I did have some trouble cutting it. It is very thick vinyl, and it's very long. It only comes in, I think we have it in a 24-inch wide, which is kind of wide compared when you're using a silhouette. But still, it was, once I got the hang of it, it was pretty simple, like most vinyls out there.
And that's why we always recommend to do a test cut.
Absolutely.
Definitely.
All right, and there we go. So now I can just write whatever I have, spaghetti noodles, pretzels. I could even put some cookies in here because they are airtight, so they do keep it safe. So I do like those. All right, now we have that one, right?
This one was a little bent, so I hope this one.
Yeah, I think I had the vinyl rolled too tight when I was doing it.
Yeah.
So, and this one I just have a jar of chocolate. I think it's actually leftover Easter candy, so I don't really know how safe it is to eat, but that's all right.
I love
It was
chocolate.
almost gone this week, but I know we needed it for Facebook Live. Larry, we do not have the whiteboard vinyl, but we'll look into that to see if there's one on the market.
All right, this one. Let me hold my breath. All right.
That looks pretty sweet. There you
Yes.
go.
Perfect, thank you. So this one I use the Lumina FDC. It's the glitter vinyl. It is permanent as well. Did use the Oracal transfer tape because it's just what we had on hand, but shouldn't be an issue. Still very easy to weed and cut. Oh, and yep. See, I had it on an edge, so it's going to be kind of difficult. Yeah.
That's the beauty about the sign and decorative vinyl, though. You could just keep going over it.
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes just use your finger. It has more pressure than the squeegee. Or it's just not wanting
Maybe
to lift.
pull from the other
All
side.
right.
That's what I usually do. Depending.
Yep,
There
good
you
call. Oh, maybe. I didn't clean it before.
And
so
I've been
I
grabbing it a lot with my greasy hands. My apologies.
That explains everything. All right.
But around that edge, though,
Yeah.
it's a common problem when you're putting it on surfaces. So just takes a little bit of maneuvering.
Yeah. Well, we'll have to work on this one. Because it's just, but that's how it would look. And I just got these from Target. They were like $3, I think, in the dollar section. So, just nice. I have like 2 other ones on my counter. Just fill them with good stuff.
Yeah, when you're having adhesion issues like that, we always recommend, see the other ones, no one touched those because they didn't have candy in them. But you can just wipe down the surface with alcohol before applying. So we'll post a picture later after we wipe it with alcohol and reapply.
Absolutely. All right, and then I think we did this one earlier in the week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Danielle was working on that one. So another candy
That's
jar,
cute.
because you can never have too much candy. We definitely use it here sometimes, too.
Yes.
All right, now I think
We don't have any other
questions? All right, well, if you guys have any questions going forward, just let us know. Any suggestions on what you want to see next, just comment below. We'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible.
See you next
See
week.
ya.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.